Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Shopify website not working problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, open up a particular browser. Now right over here, simply go ahead, tap on shopify.com. And when you press enter, the Shopify website gonna pop up, and now you can see we cannot seem to find any problem. Right over here, it's simply functioning well. But in case if it's not, like in some random date, then you're gonna go to another tab and simply type in Shopify status update or status simply. Once you have searched that, you're going to find this first search option, which is Shopify status. Tap on it to check out their server condition. You can see all systems are operational and everything is going great. You can see log into with detailed status for your store. Now over here as well, you can simply log in if you're encountering any kind of error or lagging in your particular login or activation of your shop. Then you can log in and check out the status of your shop as well. Now this is how you can make sure of that. So hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.